In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to IC Markets. We'll walk through accessing your client area on the IC Markets website and then logging into your trading platform, whether you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what details to enter, and how to confirm you're ready to trade. Let's start with the client area, which is your secure account portal. Open your browser and go to the official IC Markets website. On the top right of the home page, look for the Login or Client Area button and click it. When the Sign In page appears, enter the email address you registered with and your account password. Then click Sign In. That's it. Once accepted, you'll land on your Client Area dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can manage everything related to your account, including opening new trading accounts, handling deposits and withdrawals, and updating personal settings. If you plan to log in frequently, consider bookmarking the official login page for quick access in the future. It's also a good idea to check that you're on a secure connection and that the website address is correct before entering your details. Now, let's log into your trading platform. Open MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 on your computer. At the top menu, click File, then select Login to Trade Account. A small window will appear. Here, enter your login, which is your trading account number, not your email. Next, type your trading account password. Finally, choose the correct server from the list. For example, IC Markets SCMT4 if your account uses that server. When everything is filled in, click Login. A couple of important notes here. The MetaTrader credentials are different from your website login. The platform needs your account number, password, and the exact server name provided for your account. Also, MT4 and MT5 are not interchangeable. If your account is for MT4, it won't log in on MT5, and vice versa. After you click Login, look at the bottom right of MetaTrader for the connection status. Green and red bars indicate you're connected and receiving data. If you see invalid account or it doesn't connect, double-check the account number, ensure the password is correct, and confirm you selected the proper server. To wrap up, use the IC Markets client area for managing accounts, funding, and settings, and use MetaTrader to log in with your trading credentials and place trades. Keep your details secure, avoid sharing your password, and log out on shared devices. With these steps, you're ready to access your account and start trading confidently.